If you have been scouting for good IPOs that are coming up on the street and also you are an ardent follower of late Rekha Jhunjhunwala, then this video is something that you should be watching out for. Hello and welcome. You are watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Patra, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Rekha Jhunjhunwala's backed company Baazar Style Retail, which has now filed a DRHP, that's the draft red herring prospectus, with the Securities and Exchange Board of India to raise funds from the public, and which means that they are going to be launching their IPO. And here's at least 9 points that I'm going to be sharing with you that you should know about this upcoming IPO. Baazar Style Retail. It's one of the leading players in the value retail market in West Bengal and Odisha. Its other core markets and the focus areas include areas such as Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This IPO will be a mix of both shares of 185 crore rupees from the fresh issue and an offer for sale of up to 1.68 crore shares by the promoter group and the other selling shareholders. The offer for sale will include sale of up to 27.2 lakh equity shares by Rekha Jhunjhunwala, up to 22.4 lakh shares by the Intensive Software, up to 14.9 lakh shares by Intensive Finance, up to 13.1 lakh shares by Chandurkar Investments, among many other selling shareholders as well. Now remember that upon the demise of the big bull Rekha Jhunjhunwala, the equity shares that were held by him were transmitted to Rekha Jhunjhunwala, his wife, and his nominee of all the shares that he has held. Now, what will happen if this IPO will come through? The net proceeds from the fresh issue of shares worth about 135 odd crore rupees will be used for prepayment or repayment of certain outstanding borrowings and general corporate purposes. Axis Capital, Intensive Fiscal Services, JM Financials are the book building lead managers of this issue. Link in Time India is the registrar of the issue. Now, the company would also be looking at considering a further issue of specified securities through private placements, rights issues, preferential offers and other methods aggregating to 37 odd crore rupees is what we are given to understand so far. Now, what is the company going to be doing? It's going to be utilizing the proceeds for repayment of certain borrowings, like I already pointed out, and the rest of it will be going to the selling shareholders, like we discussed for the OFS portion. Now, what is the financial status of the company? In the fiscal year 2023, Baazar Style Retail reported a standalone profit of 5 crores. That was up from a net loss of 8 odd crore rupees in the previous year. In the same period, the revenue from operations also increased 43% to 788 crore rupees almost, from about 551 crores in the previous financial year. Now, as of December 31st of 2023, the company has 153 stores across 140 cities, and it's one of the leading players in the value retail market, especially in West Bengal and in Odisha. So those are the kind of details that I wanted to discuss with you as far as the IPO market is concerned. And this one could be exciting because Rekha Jhunjhunwala is also going to be a part of this IPO and is also going to be one of the selling shareholders as well. As and when more details emerge on this front, we will share with you in the other following videos as well. Until then, do keep watching this space on Business Today TV in case you are inquisitive about all those new IPOs that are hitting the D Street. Until then, thanks for tuning in.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.